Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for being here to share this moment with us. I'm deeply grateful to be speaking on behalf of my fellow graduates today, because today marks the end of our undergraduate chapter at the University of Edinburgh. One that began with nerves, excitement, and absolutely no idea what was to come. We arrived in the cities with different stories, from across the world and around the UK. We arrived with suitcases, expectations, questions, and probably too many things from IKEA. In those first few weeks, everything felt unfamiliar. We introduced ourselves over and over, hoping to remember names, buildings, timetables, and maybe where we'd put our student card. We sat beside strangers without knowing they'd become some of our closest friends, or that the elective chosen on a whim would become a favorite part of the degree. Meanwhile, we were still working out whether Arthur's seat really counted as a casual walk. But slowly, without us quite noticing, Edinburgh became home. Edinburgh became home in walks across the Meadows, lunches at Nile Valley, and study breaks that somehow stretched from 10 minutes to 30. It became home as we discovered Edinburgh weather can contain all 4 seasons before lunchtime, and that the hills never seem to get easier. Somewhere in all of that, we realized we belonged. As students of science, we quickly accepted that discovery rarely happens in a straight line. Experiments don't always work the first time, or the second, or the third. Results can make absolutely no sense, and occasionally, all you can do is stare at your data, question everything, and go get a coffee. But that's also what made our study so meaningful. We learned that the human body is both remarkably precise and unbelievably unpredictable. Above all, our degrees taught us far more than facts. They taught us to think carefully, stay curious, and keep going when the answer was not immediately clear. And as Edinburgh Medical School celebrates 300 years of medicine, it feels especially meaningful to join a legacy built on curiosity, discovery, and care. This journey has not always been easy. There were moments when we felt confident and moments when we were simply trying our best to keep up. Many of us bonded over all-nighters on the 4th floor of the library, powered by far too many Red Bulls and the belief that somehow it would all come together by the deadline. And somehow it did. Of course, none of us got here entirely by ourselves. We were supported by staff who guided and challenged us, and the family, friends, and loved ones who encouraged us. This achievement belongs to them too. And to my fellow graduates, congratulations. The certificate we receive today is more than a piece of paper. It is proof of how far we have come and what we are capable of. Moving forward, there may be pressure to have everything planned, as though we are standing at the edge of the rest of our lives and stepping into a world that none of us can fully predict. Some of us may pursue further study, research, medicine, or work in the field. Others may take different paths, and some may still be figuring it out, and that is completely okay. If university has taught us anything, it is that the unexpected path often teaches us the most. So keep learning, keep asking questions, and keep choosing the life that feels right for you. The friendships we made here are amongst the greatest achievements we take with us today. Beyond grades, deadlines, and final results, what we remember most are the people. The ones who made difficult days easier, ordinary moments funnier, and the city feel like home. We may be leaving Edinburgh, but Edinburgh won't leave us. So, as we close this chapter and begin the next, let us be proud of everything it took to reach this moment, grateful for the people who helped us get here, and excited for everything yet to come. Now let's get ready for 3 rounds of applause, each one a chance to show our appreciation and celebrate together. First up, let's cheer for our exceptional graduates. You've accomplished so much, and today is a celebration of all your hard work. So let's start by giving a big heartfelt round of applause to all of you, our brilliant graduates. Now, let's give it up for the incredible staff at the university. Graduation is one of the highlights of the year, and they're thrilled to celebrate this special day with each of you. Our fantastic academic, professional, and technical staff have been there in so many ways, whether serving you in cafes, arranging today's ceremony, finding a crucial library book, or supporting your labs and projects. Your dedication means so much, and we are so grateful. So please join me in this next round of applause for the dedicated staff of the University of Edinburgh. Let's make this final cheer the loudest and longest. This one is for your amazing supporters, those who stood by you before you arrived here, throughout your time at university, and who will continue supporting you in the future. Graduates, I'd like you to stand up, turn around, and give your supporters the biggest round of applause. Congratulations to the spectacular class of 2026. Thank you.